It's a sad reality that COVID-19's widespread effects have had a significant impact on people all over the world. While the fear of contracting the virus has a significant impact on our lives, the worldwide lockdown and economic downturns have undoubtedly made life more difficult. Even in these difficult times, there are a number of ways to put your efforts to good use and generate income. Sitting in COVID-19's lockdown, doing nothing? Here are some ideas of how you can make money while you're sitting around. Number 1, start a blog of your own. Starting your own blog can be a great way to establish your authority in the field you want to work in. You can curate interesting topics and post on a regular basis. You can start learning how to make money online by starting a blog. The type of content varies. It could be a blog about lifestyle issues, health issues, or even money-making tips like this one. Number 2, design of a logo. Do you have a creative eye? It can then be used to create logos for businesses. If you know how to draw and use software like Adobe Illustrator and CorelDRAW, this is an easy job to start. You can begin by contacting small businesses and work your way up. It is preferable to have had samples on hand. Number 3, electronic commerce. E-commerce is also a viable option. Although you do not need a lot of money to get started, you will need to be resourceful. You can always buy and resell a product if you don't have the resources to produce it. Alternatively, you can create a portal through which different shops can sell their goods. For each sale that occurs, you can charge a percentage. Number 4, content writing. As long as there are products and customers, businesses will require somebody to make their product accessible and understandable to the general public. The content writers are in charge of this task. Only adequate writing skills are required. Excellent qualifications are desirable but not required. Content marketing is a popular mode of advertising for online businesses because it is less expensive but generates more leads. Number 5, manager of social media. If you know your way around social media, this is an excellent career choice. As a social media manager, you'll have to learn and apply analytical skills as well as create reports, organize ad promotions, and come up with creative ways to engage the client's audience. Number 6, graphic design. It is similar to logo design but covers a broader range of topics, including digital painting, comics, advertisements, animated cartoons, and brochures. It would be preferable if you learned a graphics program. With an internet connection, you can serve clients from the comfort of your own home. Number 7, website design. Web developers take the vision of a web designer and turn it into a functional website. Because good web developers are in high demand, it's a good idea to brush up on your HTML, Java, and CSS skills. It will be well compensated to create a responsive and interactive website. Number 8, write an ebook. If clients are to be engaged, a professional-looking cover must accompany well-written content. One of these methods is ebook design. If you know how to use basic editing software, such as Adobe InDesign, you'll have no trouble using it. Having the ability to create illustrations will be a plus. Number 9, marketing on Instagram. Marketers on Instagram are paid to promote products and services on their accounts. The amount of money will be determined by the number of followers. All you'll need is a smartphone and access to the internet. Number 10, search engine optimization, SEO. This is one of the most sought-after positions in digital marketing. For this, you'll need to learn how to use analytics and marketing tools. You'll be researching popular keywords, reducing image sizes, and recommending hot topics for content creation as part of your job. Payment is usually made in tandem with the growth of the client's business. Number 11, design. If you know how to design websites, have an internet connection, and work quickly, this is a great way to start a business. Additional training in Adobe Illustrator and CorelDRAW will be beneficial. You can begin by designing for small businesses, and as your reputation grows, you'll be able to take on more clients. Number 12, virtual personal assistant. Many businesses have eliminated physical offices in recent years, but administrative, creative, and technical requirements remain the same. As a virtual assistant, you can be of great assistance to them. You may have to start small, but as your experience grows, you will be able to earn a substantial sum. Number 13, preparation of taxes. Are you good with numbers and tax laws? Working as a tax preparer can pay off handsomely. You'll need to prepare financial statements, complete required forms, and pay your taxes on time. This could be a good job for you if you have accounting or business experience. Number 14, management of Google Ads. Working as a Google Ads manager can be a rewarding experience. If you've worked in marketing before and know how to use Google Suite to create, run, and analyze ad campaigns, more business will come your way if you run campaigns that improve your clients' businesses. Number 15, Facebook Ads Management. Facebook ads are an important source of revenue in today's digital marketing world. You'll also be responsible for creating and launching Facebook ads, generating daily or weekly reports, and recommending novel changes based on the data. It's also much easier to find clients these days. Number 16, translator. If you are fluent in 2 languages and can communicate effectively in them, you will be qualified to work as a translator. Depending on whether you need to do verbal translations or just translate written documents, you may require additional equipment such as a microphone. This is a great way to make money even during the lockdown, and there would be plenty of opportunities on sites like Upwork and Freelance. Number 17, retouching photos. Photo retouching can generate you a lot of money if you understand how Lightroom and Photoshop work and have some practical experience with them. With your skills, you can improve the appearance of product images, and this job doesn't even require you to leave your house. Number 18, growth hacking. This is a term used to describe the process of gaining a competitive advantage. It essentially entails increasing a business's traffic with low-cost tools while also assisting businesses in keeping their customers. These types of services are becoming increasingly important for small startup businesses. Number 19, editing of podcasts. Because there are fewer audio editors and a large number of podcast creators, this is a fantastic and rewarding job. With a little patience and knowledge of audio tools like Audacity, Acoustica, or Adobe Audition, it can be a rewarding career. Number 20, video post-production. For digital marketing, video is becoming increasingly important. Now that there are no platform restrictions, video editing can be a useful and profitable skill. With advertisements, Facebook promotions, and YouTube videos, a video editor has a lot of opportunities for work and money. So now you know what kind of jobs you can do during the lockdown. Choose activities that appeal to your strengths, and you'll be sure to succeed.